Hello everybody, it's time to open the garden for 2023, and I'm going to start by getting the tiller ready to go. Last year this was exceptionally difficult to start, so we'll see how it does this year. Throttle's not stuck. I did replace the primer bulb on it last year. That may have been most of the problem, because it pumped right up this year, no big deal. So work the throttle a little bit. I got it choked. See what it does. It is on, and that's a little better sign of life this year. A little better. A little while later, I got my onion bed prepared for 2023. Tiller worked beautifully. So now I've just got to get the rest of the garden tilled up and we'll be ready for 2023 gardening. Now that I got the tiller going, I've got my cow manure applied to the garden. Now I'm going to spread it out and then I'm going to till it in. A little while later, all tilled up. All the organic material is incorporated very well. Now I am watering in the soil to get all the microbes chooching and all that good stuff. I have also cleaned up my asparagus beds and fertilized them with some 2100 fertilizer. Already starting to grow a little bit. There's a good one right there. I've already picked two, so I figured it was time to get them fertilized. There's another. Right there by the T-post. Pretty good stalk. And one right there, so gonna have some good asparagus pretty soon. So once again, this has been the 2023 garden opening. Thank you for watching.